My theme for 2022 is Flourish, if you hadn't already guessed. I absolutely love this word. I love the way it feels, I love the way it sounds, and I just want to help as many of you and your organizations as possible to flourish in 2022 at both work and life, despite challenging circumstances. Gardening and leadership are twin passions of mine, and there are so many lessons that we can take from gardening and put into practice in our personal and professional lives for growth, both individually and as a team. Gardening is a constant process, hence the term the constant gardener. The foundation of a healthy and flourishing garden starts with the soil and what you feed it, and I call this black gold. In fact, when I left my last house where I had gardened in the same garden for 23 years, I wept over the loss of my black gold. And that black gold is a result of all the time, the energy and the effort that you have put into your team in the working environment, at work, or even at home that no one else ever sees. Once you have planted your plants, they need constant watering and feeding to continue to grow and to flourish. And just like people, nothing flourishes in a vacuum. Gardens require constant effort and attention. The soil needs to be weeded and the flowers need to be dead-headed. And here I've got some roses that, in amongst all these beautiful ones, there are some that are really past their sell-by date and they need to be removed. Otherwise, they're just literally going to fall apart. So I always go around my garden with my secateurs or my pair of scissors, and you'll always see me deadheading, because actually the more you cut back your flowers and you deadhead, the more are going to grow back into the future. And then you get to a point in the season where you need to cut back and prune your shrubs and prune your roses so that you can make way for new growth in the future. Sometimes plants get so big or the garden becomes overcrowded that you actually need to split and divide them, just like you need to do when a team becomes cumbersome. And so the cycle continues in tandem with the seasons. There is a time for everything, and for everything there is a season. Gardening, leading and parenting really do have so much in common, and I know that my clients really appreciate my unique and unusual ability to bridge both work and personal life, and I know that I can help your organization too. Every one of my talks is designed to help you and your team to flourish. Connect with me at info@nikkibush.com and let's start a conversation about how I can help your team or your organization to flourish this year. And do hit the subscribe button below so that you don't miss any of my weekly tips.